Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing hardware and powering devices. First, confirm you have the Orbi router and any satellites for your model, then connect the router WAN port to the modem via Ethernet. Once done, power the modem and wait 1 to 2 minutes for sync, then power the Orbi router. Make sure the router LED pulses white. That indicates booting. If it doesn't, swap cables and confirm power. This gets the primary unit ready, so you can proceed to wireless setup and app pairing. Next, configure your network and add satellites. Open the Orbi app or browse to 192, 168, 1, and run the setup wizard. You'll name the SSID and set the admin password. Once the router is configured, plug in each satellite about 1 to 2 rooms from the router and power them. Wait for the LED to show a solid connection color, blue or white depending on model, then let the mesh auto-optimize backhaul. Make sure to update firmware when prompted and enable automatic up. Finish by validating coverage and addressing problems. You should test speeds near the router and each satellite. Move satellites slightly if signal drops. If you have Ethernet runs, use wired backhaul for high-demand devices to improve throughput. Make sure DHCP, DNS, and port forwarding settings match your needs. If something fails, reboot devices in order: modem, router, satellites. If problems persist, perform a factory reset on the Orbi, then rerun the setup wizard. That combination resolves most common configuration and connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.